Welcome back to The Focused Educator, where we explore ideas that not only sharpen our teaching but also nurture the heart of the classroom. I'm your host Suryavati, and today we are exploring something every educator wants but often finds it hard to define: a positive classroom culture. What makes a class feel safe, energized, and respectful? Why do some groups of students gel effortlessly while others feel tense or disconnected? Let's explore. We often focus so much on curriculum, assessments, lesson planning that we forget classroom culture isn't built by chance, it's built by design. I repeat, classroom culture isn't built by chance, it's built by design. And the truth is, culture isn't about rules, it's about relationships. Let's look at 5 powerful strategies that can help create the kind of classroom where learning thrives. Strategy number 1, begin with belonging. Start the year, week, or even a single lesson with the message, "You matter here." Use names often. Greet students at the door. Encourage students to share something about themselves, where they come from, what they love to do. These moments set the emotional tone for everything that follows. Strategy number 2, co-create class norms. Instead of handling down rules, involve students in shaping the behavior they want to see. Ask them, what do we need from each other to make this a safe place to learn? Guide them to positive, action-oriented statements like, "We listen respectfully," or "We try our best," even when it's hard. When students have a hand in creating the guidelines, they have a greater sense of ownership and are more likely to follow them. I hope all of you agree with this. Let's move on to strategy number 3. Celebrate progress, not just performance. Yes, marks matter, but effort and growth deserve just as much spotlight. We often jump to correct what's wrong, but shifting focus can be incredibly powerful. Did someone finally remember to push in the chair without being asked? Acknowledge it. Did a group successfully collaborate on a project without a single debate about who gets to write? Celebrate it. Use specific praise. "I saw how you kept trying even when it was tough." Or, "That was a respectful disagreement. Well done." This shifts the focus from competition to collaboration. Number 4, use restorative conversations. Conflicts will happen. We all are different after all. Instead of punishment, first try a restorative approach. Ask, what happened? Who was affected? How can we fix it? This builds accountability and empathy. And finally, be the change you want to see is what we all have heard. Let's make it be the culture what you want to see. Students mirror us. If we model patience, honesty, and curiosity, they'll reflect it back. If we show that mistakes are okay, they'll take more risks. Remember, your presence is the culture. So here's a question to reflect on. What small shift can you make this week to move from classroom management to classroom connection? Because when students feel safe, seen, and supported, learning becomes unstoppable. So, with a little intention, a lot of empathy, and perhaps a dash of your unique humor, you can genuinely transform your classroom into a vibrant space where every student feels ready to learn, grow, and thrive. Thank you for tuning in to The Focused Educator. If this episode resonated with you, consider sharing it with a colleague or leaving a message about one thing that worked in your classroom. In our next episode, we'll dive into student voice and agency, how to give students more ownership of their learning. Until then, Stay intentional, stay inspired, and as always, keep building the kind of classroom you'd want to learn in. Thank you.